Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from AmandaCrochets.com. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing some of the Annie's Kit Club sets. Now this is a monthly subscription service that's designed for crocheters to keep your hands busy and your skills sharp. Both beginner crocheters and more advanced crocheters can benefit from these kits and end up making a beautiful project. Now, currently Annie's has a few different crochet and knit themed kits to choose from, and you can view everything on their website. They also have a bunch of other kits available that are for paper crafts, for kids, and just basically anything that you can think of. So I feel like they have a wide variety of crafts for all different skills and ages, so definitely check out their website to see what interests you. As far as more of the crochet and knit side of the clubs that they have, they offer a Caring Crochet Kit Club, which includes a pattern made for a specific charity or organization. They have the Crochet Afghan Block of the Month Club. They have the Crochet Striped Afghan Club, and then they have the Hook and Needle Club. Now for all of these crochet clubs, they also have them in a knit version, and the Hook and Needle Club is a combo pack where they give you one pattern for knit and one pattern for crochet that looks very similar to one another. Now I just want to have a disclaimer out there that Annie sent this to me for free, and I just wanted to share these samples with my audience, and I just wanted to make you aware that these kits exist as well as the many other kits as I mentioned. So the first one I want to talk about is the Annie's Crochet Afghan Block of the Month Club, and this is Stitch Sampler Afghan blocks 1 through 3. Now for this one you get the booklet, of course, and then you make this beautiful Afghan. So each month you get 3 different blocks to make, and if you flip it over on the back side, it tells you block 1, 2, and 3 that you're making, and then those are the other different colors or other different blocks that you'll be making to complete this Afghan. Now they do have this in a gray version, which is what you see here, and they also have this in like a brown taupey color. So I really like this because I am obsessed with gray, and I love the different gray tones that they have in here. And when you open this up, you will see the first block, and you'll get information about how to make that. You also get some crochet abbreviations, and then you'll get block 2 and then block 3. And then again, like I said, on the back you get this little diagram of all the different squares that you'll eventually be making. Now besides the instructional booklet, you will also get 2 skeins of yarn to complete your first 3 blocks, and you'll get your crochet hook as well. Now I did not get the yarn included for that particular kit. I just got the booklet just to make you guys aware. So again, you have the either coastal gray, which is what I have here, or you have the warm sand, which is more of that brown taupey color. And then again, you'll get a set of 2 crochet hooks. You'll get a tapestry needle and an illustrated stitch guide. Now usually the yarn that you receive is very soft. I do have a video showing this particular sampler Afghan on my channel, so I will go ahead and leave that link below just in case you're interested to check out that in a little bit more depth than just seeing the photo and the booklet. So I hope you are interested in checking that out, and I also show you some different samples that I made. And for the pricing of the kit, Each monthly kit costs $19.99 plus $5.95 for shipping and handling in the US and $6.95 shipping and handling in Canada. However, you cannot purchase this outside of the US and Canada, as they do not offer this at this moment. Maybe they will change in the future. I hope so, so they can have a more wide audience that people can access this. But for right now, this is only available in the US as well as Canada. Now, if you do want to get 50% off of your first subscription for the Stitch Sampler Afghan or any other kit, you can click on the link below where you will get 50% off your first subscription. So if you're interested in checking out any of the kits that Annie's has to offer, I will leave a link below where you get 50% off your first monthly subscription. So this next one that we have here, this is the Annie's Hook and Needle Club, and this is the color block basket. Okay, so this is again the Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. This is the color block basket, and then here is what that basket looks like. So you can see it has a different tones. So you have that gray, kind of a brown taupey, and then you have that cream color. And this basket will be perfect for, as I said, putting anything inside with either yarn, or if you want to make this into, I guess you could put this over like a planter and kind of just jazz that up a little bit. And it could hold so many different items. It could hold toys or yarn, like I said, so the possibilities are endless. And then on the back they have the same kind of basket design, but this is the knit version, and then on the front is the crochet version. So you get a little bit of information about your kit and what you need. Now for the Hook and Needle Club, they also recommend what kind of crochet hook you need. You need a tapestry needle and you need a stitch marker. This is not included in your kit, so you will have to have that on your own. And here's another close-up of that basket, the crochet basket. Really pretty colors. And then that's what the yarn looks like. Again, you get the crochet abbreviations, and then you get the knit pattern. And they also tell you what kind of needles you need, a tapestry needle, and a stitch marker, which is not included. And here's a close-up of that knitting pattern. So very pretty and very beautiful. So along with that instruction book, you get the yarn, of course. So you get 2 skeins of the Annie's Hook and Needle Club yarn. And this is Cool Machine Wash Gentle, Tumble Dry, Gentle, and Low Heat. Do not bleach and do not iron. Now I do not know what specific brand of yarn this is, but this is very soft and squishy yarn, and it has a little bit of, I'm not sure what you would call that, but it has a little bit of tweed, I believe you would call it, inside. So you have 2 skeins of that squishy gray color with the little bit of flecks of the cream or the tweed in it. You can see that a little bit more closely right here. And then you get 2 skeins of that cream color, and these are just a little bit smaller. This yarn is 100% acrylic, and it's 1.25 ounces, 57 yards, and is a 4 worsted weight yarn. And for the gray, it's 75% acrylic, 25% polyester, a 3.5 ounce skein, and 157 yards. And again, it is a 4 worsted weight medium yarn. And then finally, you get 2 skeins of that taupey brown color. And this is 75% acrylic, 25% polyester, 1.2 ounces, and 57 yards. So here is what the colors look like together. I think it's really pretty together. And I'm really excited to work on a project with this. I will probably be making this basket, as I can see myself using this for a variety of different things. Most likely I will be using it for a project bag and just keeping all my yarn together with whatever project I'm working on at the moment. So I am really excited to work on this, and I'm really happy with the yarn. The yarn is very soft and squishy, and that's why I like Annie's Kit Clubs, because all of their yarn is really soft and squishy like this, and it makes me just want to get the yarn on my crochet hook right away and begin making a new and fun project. So again, I have 2 different kits to show you today. I have the Annie's Hook and Needle Club, the color block basket, as well as the Annie's Crochet Afghan Block of the Month Club, and this is Stitch Sampler Afghan Blocks 1 through 3. So those are the 2 options that they have. Every month you will be getting a new subscription, and again, I have a link below for that 50% off your first month subscription if you are interested. And I highly recommend you go on their website and you check out all the different kit clubs that they have available. You will definitely find something, whether you want to start a fun project with your kids, or if you want to pick up a new skill, or just if you want to try something new. There's always something out there for you. So I hope you give the Annie's Kit Club a try, and I hope you find and discover a new skill that you didn't know that you had. Alright, now it's time to like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, happy crocheting! Bye!